What can you do? What can you do?
I don't know.
Let me ask you, what can you do?
I'm drinking today. Trust me.
You're drinking today. I'm going to drink today too. How you doing, everybody? Yeah. I got to give some shout outs. The Dudes Kitchen and Grill. New subscriber. I think everybody should check them out and watch them. As a matter of fact, all my shout outs. Check them out. Subscribe. Build a community. We have to build a community of followers and subscribers and help everybody just to help along. The next one, this guy's thoughts. This guy's thoughts. This guy's thoughts, check him out. He's got a good site too. And that weird cook, I think he's doing a damn good job, that weird cook.
Even though
okay?
It's weird. Huh?
Yep. Those are my shout outs for the day. And I might slip a couple more in there as I'm going on. You know, I have to clear my throat all the time. Allergies. Average person eats 60,000 pounds of food in his lifetime. Did you know that?
No.
No. And the average person sleeps 24 years in a lifetime.
Well, what's a lifetime?
20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And you never know how long a lifetime is. And you can burn more calories sleeping than you watch TV, than you do watching TV. So, did you know that you can't lick your own elbow?
Yeah, I heard that.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's all my stuff. That's my stuff. Today I'm going to make a drink, and some people would call it a Bellini, but I'm going to call it the Bossa Nova. Okay? What did I hear?
Bossa Nova.
No, not the Bossa Nova. What's the name of that drink?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, I don't know either. We should call it the 007. No, I already got one, the 007. We'll call it the Hangover. Because after you drink this drink, you will have a hangover. During that commercial break, Karen was chewing me out. She said I didn't put the Coors away. I had a whole bunch of Coors in there already.
No,
And it was cold.
Not.
How do you know?
Because I can see.
Because you took a whole bunch upstairs. We can't argue in front of these people. It's not right.
Yes, we can.
No, we can't.
Yes, we can.
Okay, here we go.
What are you doing?
I'm making a Bellini. This is a Bellini. I was just killing you folks. I'm like, this is a Bellini. Okay? And here we go. I'm going to do approximately 1.5 ounces of Cachaca. Okay, so maybe that's 2 ounces. Maybe it's 2.5.
Putting rum in it?
Yeah. No, Cachaca. What?
Well, what is Cachaca? I thought that was
It's Caca.
Caca?
Caca.
I thought it was supposed to have vodka in it.
It's supposed to, but I changed it.
Alrighty.
Because I can do it. It's my show. It's my show.
You can do what you want.
I can do what I want.
You can turn a cartwheel or a somersault.
Okay, so what I did was I put 2 ounces of Cachaca before we were so interrupted by my camera person.
Now he's getting serious.
And put some Peach Nectar in there. Peach Nectar. And some Cook's Brut California Champagne.
Oh, boy.
That's actually a fake name. Because Champagne comes from the Champagne region of France. Did you know that?
Yeah, you told us.
Yeah, so this is actually sparkling wine. But they call it champagne because they like to think it's champagne, but it's not. I hope I didn't bore all you people out there with my wisdom, because this is going to be good.
No garnish. It's naked.
No garnish. Anyhow, it's been nice visiting with you all. It's been nice visiting with you all. And I want you to come back and visit me again. Same time, same channel. Cocktail Tony, checking you out. And don't forget, get a vaccine, wear a mask, call your mama, and don't forget, don't fly Delta. I mean, get Delta. Don't get Delta. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.